You guys should be ashamed of yourselves. Just because he doesn't have spots doesn't mean he can't sit in your cuddle puddle. I'm sorry, son.
Jason.